insurance auto auction. Now we gonna do why I hate the regular dealer auction, right? The one that you need dealer access to, the one you need a dealer license to be able to attend, right? I'm gonna explain to you guys why I do not like that auction, all right? But first, man, if you want to know how to get your license, if you want to know how to buy and sell cars, man, join my monthly membership. It's only $1 a day, $30 a month. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know, all right? You get one weekly video lesson. You get to talk to me, 25-minute coaching calls, 50% off. You get to talk to me anytime in my private Discord, which has everything in there. The easiest way to get your dealer license. It don't matter what state you in, don't matter your criminal history, it doesn't matter your credit history, all right? Everything is in my academy, all right? Just for $1 a day, and you will get that full curriculum course for just $100, all right? One-time fee, all right? That's 50% off. So at $130, you can't beat it, and it's the easiest way to get your license, all right? So the number one reason we're going to talk about why I don't like the regular auctions is, number one, most of them doesn't stop you being able to drive. Not all of them, but most of them doesn't stop you being able to drive. I know you can't drive at Copart. I know you can't drive at the insurance auto auctions, which is the two auctions that I personally like. A lot of people don't like them, but I done mastered the skill. Now, in the academy, you don't have to just rely on going to Copart and IAA. These skills work any auction, right? So yeah, so no driving, all right? No driving. And then the second thing is, well, let me go a little bit more in depth. You can't drive the cars, basically what I'm saying. You can crank them and stuff like that, but you cannot drive the cars. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not all auctions do this, depending on what auction you go to, depending on your state and everything. But around here, like our big auctions, you cannot drive the cars anymore, which sucks, all right? Number two, which is another important reason why I don't like going here, is the titles, okay? You do not get the titles on hand. So if you buy a car today, you most likely will not get the title today. Unlike Copart in the insurance auto auction, you will get the title the same day. When you buy the car, you get your title. When you go to these regular auctions, these dealer auctions, you are not getting the title the same day. It sucks, right? It sucks. You just, I don't know why they got 45 days to provide you with the title. So basically, you got to have your money in the car for the time it takes to get the title. Now, usually they come up with the title. I'm gonna say about 95% of the time, 95% of the time they do. But when they don't, and if you sold that car already, you got to get the customer their money back. You got to go get the car, and you got to take the car back to the auction. Don't let it be out of state, because you got to take that car all the way back out of state to the auction. Sometimes they'll work with you and be like, okay, we'll pay for it to come back here because it was their mistake. Sometimes they won't, all right? So that is a big reason you do not get your titles. Now, I elaborated on that in a couple of previous videos ago. I elaborated on not having the titles, all right? Number three, it's very noisy. You know what I'm saying? It's very noisy at the big auctions. Very, very noisy. You know what I mean? It's a lot going on. You know what I mean? I actually have a video to show you guys. This is me at the auction, and it's a lot going on, which is going to bring me to my next point of a lot of confusion. Which, if it's noisy, it's a lot of confusion, and it's more competition. I'm gonna just go ahead and give you all those three. All right. So my 5 was no driving, no titles. Is noisy. Is way more noisy. You know what I mean? And unless you're buying online, you feel me? You can go in person, check out the car, and then choose not to buy in person. I know a homie who does that. So he's not going to buy the car in, like, he'll go see the car in person, but when it's time to bid on it, he'll just bid online. He's not going to go in person, right? He feel like some people bid him up. Some people looking at what he's buying, you know what I mean? You got people who know he's nosy. They look at you, they trying to see what you buying and this, that, and the third. Especially if they know you know what you're doing, and they know you know how to pick out good cars, right? Which is again more confusion. You can see how confusing this be. Look at this. Now I got in my academy, I'll show you guys how to know exactly what's going on so you won't be confused. But check this out here. Let me move this over. So this is my video in the auction, right? Let me go down. About right there. 2012, 121 on the miles. Now I'm gonna pause it just for a minute. Now, if you listen to the auctioneer, it's confusing, right? But I'm gonna teach you guys how to understand the auctioneer. So make sure y'all join that academy just at $1 a day. All right, look at this.
...2013, 66,000 miles.
You see, that can be kind of confusing. It's noisy, it's confusing. You got all these people here. You got all these people here. It's noisy, it's confusion. You know what I'm saying? And it's more competition, right? Well, at least it feels like it's more competition because you're right there. You know, unless again you buy online, that'll be a good thing, and you won't have to worry about some of these things. All right, you wouldn't really have to worry about the last three. It being noisy, it being confusing, and it being more competition. A little, maybe you got to worry about the confusion because sometimes they'll say the car is green light, it's good to go, and then when you get there and start to bid on it, they'll change the rules real quick and it doesn't be green light anymore. Stuff like that happens, man. So make sure y'all join my academy, man. wehustledaily.com. You feel me? Just $1 a day. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to start doing these monthly giveaways. Again, we're gonna be giving away TVs, freaking games, whatever y'all want. You know what I'm saying? I'm listening to the community. I'm gonna give y'all back what y'all want. All right, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in, but I do got the plug on to get your license in the description below, wehustledaily.com. So if you are looking to start a business and get your license and having auction access, click the link in the description below and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. All right, I got a list of auctions, I got a list of where I get my parts from, I got all my tips, my techniques, my tricks. Everything is in that academy. All right, appreciate you guys for tuning in and rocking this video, man, and much love to you guys. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, WHD Academy. Peace.
wehustledaily.com monthly membership
for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day.
Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license no matter what state you in and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.